everybody, welcome to Curbside Camp. My name is Miss Rue, and this week we are making bird feeders. So as many of you know, at Campfire we have 3 rules. We call them the 3 R's. The first one is respect yourself, the second one is respect others, and the third one is to respect your environment. So this week we are respecting our environment by using some recycled materials to make bird feeders. In your bag you will have one of these bottles that is cut for our bird feeder, and I'll tell you how to put that together in a second. You will also have a bag of bird seed. You'll have some paint brushes and some paint. And so you'll notice that the bottles have some holes in them and they're cut in particular ways, and I'm gonna kind of walk you through how to put your bird feeder together right now. So there are 2 holes on the cap of the bottle, and you're going to put the string through the holes. And if it's a little hard, if the string is fraying, you can put a little piece of tape on the end of the string to hold it all together and to fit through the holes on the bottle. So I'm going to put each end of the string through the top of the bottle, and then it's going to come down through the bottle, and I'm going to put it out through these holes. And so there will be a loop at the top for you to hang your bottle on the tree. And then you're gonna attach it to this, and it's gonna go in this hole, in either of these holes. And then you're gonna tape it to the side, to the inside of your bird feeder. And so you'll have it, you'll see mine in a minute, and you can see how it kind of all fits together. So now that we've painted our bird feeders, it is time to put some bird seed in there and feed some birds. So you can see the string is going into the caps. It's coming out of the top part and then back in the hole on the bottom part. So that's how that looks. And then we're just gonna put our bird seed in the bottom here. You can just pour some in there. And then we can find a nice branch to hang this on. And it works nice if you can use a branch near a window so you can see it out the window, or just in a nice spot where you can see the birds come for a snack. Thanks for joining us this week for Curbside Camp, and we'll see you next time.